So let's start with today's lovely recipe. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of almond flour. Now I have 1 cup of icing sugar which I've sifted. I'm going to add only half the quantity first, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of almond essence. Now I'm going to knead this to a nice stiff dough. And now I'm going to add the remaining icing sugar which I've sifted. Now at the end of this video, you will see how I prepare this almond flour at home. It's super simple, guys. So now that we have our dough ready for the Easter eggs, these are the different molds. Now these are the aluminium molds. These are the little plastic molds that you get in different shapes. This is another plastic mold, and these are some small little flowers. So now I'm going to start by just taking a small bit of the dough and of the marzipan dough, and I'm just going to smoothen it out by rolling it between the palms of my hands. And then I'm just going to put it into the mold, press it down firmly, and then just invert it like this. And you get the egg out ready. You just have to shape it a little bit. Now it does help if you even grease the mold a bit with a little bit of ghee or butter. Just shape it up a little bit and set it aside. Now I'll show you the other plastic molds that I have. Now if you're wondering where I get all of this, I go to Bandra West, and this is not a sponsored video, but I go to Cheap Jack and they have all of this almost all year round. So you can go and pick this up. It's available. And then you get these little chickens and you get the rabbit. So there are all different kinds of molds that they have. So either you grease the molds with a little bit of melted butter or melted ghee. Just brush it a little, not too much. And then of course the little bunny rabbit. Now I have many videos of different kinds of Easter eggs, so I'll leave the link to all of those videos down in the description box as well as the comment section. So in this video, I'm not adding any kind of color, food color to the Easter eggs. I'm going to leave them very plain. But you can see my other videos in which I've added food colors and decorated them differently. So you can check that out. Now for the bunny rabbit, you just need to shape them up a little bit, so you can get a little bit creative. And of course then is the plastic mold. You even get the silicone molds, but these plastic molds are so easy to work with. So just apply a little bit of melted butter and then just smoothen out. Ensure that you smoothen out the dough, and then just press it down and shape it up like this. Now I also have a video for my royal icing which I use for decorating the Easter eggs. I'll leave a link to that below, as well as I have a hot cross bun video, so I'll leave that. And now you can just be nice and be creative and make them look pretty by just adding some cupcake holders. And the sky is the limit for being creative with these Easter eggs, or you can keep them just as simple as you like. It's all your choice. So now I'm just adding a little bit of icing, just a little bit of different designs. And your no cook and eggless and vegan Easter eggs are all ready. So I hope you do try out this recipe. So at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you how I make my almond powder at home. It's super simple, guys. In fact, I have a video on how to make the almond flour at home, but I said I'll include it in this video itself. Otherwise, you'll have to go and search for it, or sometimes I do forget to put all the links down below. So now just get creative, and these flowers, these are ready-made of course, and they're pretty reasonable. So if you're always a Cheap Jack, you can get a lot of variety of decorations and food decor over there. So now about the almond flour, I've taken exactly 1 cup of almonds and I've soaked them in about 2.5 cups of water. You can use regular water or warm water, and I've kept it for about 12 hours. Then you will see that the almonds swell up a bit. And then, after 12 hours, it's very easy to remove the peel of the almonds. So just peel them. The peel comes off very easily because we've soaked them for 12 hours. So all the almonds are ready. This is all the peel. Now take a nice dry clean kitchen cloth and just spread them out like this and keep them for 2 days at least. You might have to change the kitchen cloth twice, but ensure that they're completely dry, and then you put them into your mixer pot. And now we're just going to blitz it. We're not going to grind it. We're going to just blitz it. That is just blitz stop, and then you get this lovely fine powder. So just transfer it to a bowl. And then just to be, extra sure about it, we're just going to sieve it or sift it. And if there are any, almond particles still left, you can again blitz them in the mixer pot and again sieve them so you don't waste any of the almond powder that way. And then you get this very smooth and fine almond powder like this. So our almond flour or almond powder is all ready. And that's how you make it. So this is a super simple recipe. So I do hope you try out this recipe, guys. And all you have to do is add an equal amount of sugar and some almond essence, and you're all set to make your lovely Easter eggs. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you soon.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.